Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an Anker Soundcore Mega Wireless Bluetooth party speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it in case it is not working and you need to troubleshoot it. Now maybe it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth. Any of these issues can very often be fixed with a factory reset. If you can't get it fixed and you want to buy a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a new speaker at a great price. Anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this up on a new phone or a new device, you just want to get a fresh start and delete all of the pairing history off of it so that you can pair it as a brand new speaker. We can go ahead and do this. It's really easy to do. With the speaker on, we're just going to come in and we're going to find the Bluetooth button and the volume up button. And all you need to do is press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for 8 seconds. And after 8 seconds, that will trigger a hard factory reset back to the out-of-the-box defaults, at which point you can go ahead and set the speaker up like it's a brand new speaker.